Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to be restoring these all-white Vans, women high top. I picked these bad boys up from the Goodwill distribution center for really cheap. These things were pretty much tore up, yellowed out to the max. The soles were yellow. The white of the shoe, all of the fabric material was pretty much yellowed out to the max. So I grabbed some all white Angelus paint and some Angelus Too Soft and my Princeton paintbrush after I taped these soles up and pretty much went to town on these Vans. I did multiple coats using a heat gun to speed up the drying process. I had to do a couple of coats because they were so stained up, but the end results, they actually came out very, very white. You can actually see you know, in this video they came out pretty white. You can see compared to the sole how white the shoe turned out with that with the Too Soft and the white Angelus paint. The Too Soft is basically made so you can paint onto fabric without it hardening on you. The stuff works very well, and you can tell the results came out very well. The next thing we're going to do is saturate the soles with the Salon Care 40 and cover it with plastic wrap. You only want to cover just the soles is what you want to cover for the most part. You don't want to get it on the fabric of the shoe if possible. After that, we're pretty much going to wrap them bad boys up, put them under a 300 watt Viper Spectra LED grow light. And that's pretty much going to take the yellowing off the soles for us. Pretty much as close to factory as we can possibly get is the point. The things work very, very well, and as you can see, these shoes came out very, very white. The soles did, as well as the fabric with the Angelus white and Too Soft. It came out pretty clean. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe.